Tonight we have new details in the Vanessa Guillen case. Cecily Aguilar's day in court may be moved for a third time. Aguilar's defense attorney filing a motion to give more time to investigate Vanessa Guillen's murder. Our Jarrell Baker tells us what the Guillen family attorney thinks of the motion.
The defense attorney representing Cecily Aguilar has filed a motion for continuance, asking for more time to complete his review of discovery and investigation in the Vanessa Guillen case, which could push back the trial date for the case for a third time.
There's so much information and evidence that that the U.S. Attorney's Office has in the murder of Vanessa Guillen that there's a lot for them to go through.
A trial date had been set last month for Aguilar after her initial trial date had been pushed back for 2 months. The Guillen's family attorney, Natalie Quam, says they anticipate an attempt to move the trial date again.
We want them not to be able to raise any kind of defense to say that they didn't have enough time and she didn't get a fair trial. You know, if we do want justice and we want it now, but when it comes to the legal system, judiciary, we want there to be a fair trial.
Quam says while the trial date can be pushed back, the I Am Vanessa Guillen bill needs to be passed immediately to help protect members of the military from sexual assault.
We didn't get the Vanessa Guillen bill passed. We actually never even gone to a floor for a vote, which was very disappointing. However, we were told and promised that it will get on the floor in the new administration.
Quam says they're planning a march on Washington on January 21st, the day after the presidential inauguration for Vanessa Guillen.
It doesn't matter who's a president or who's in office in Congress. We want them to all agree and to push for legislation that justice for Vanessa and justice for our military.
Motion to move Aguilar's trial date has neither been approved or denied. In Bell County, Jarrell Baker, 25 News.
Jarrell, thank you. Aguilar pleaded guilty to 1 count of conspiracy to tamper with evidence and 2 substantive counts of tampering with evidence. She faces up to 20 years in federal prison for each count upon conviction.